Welcome to Little Learner's World, and let's sing and explore the ABC Nature Phonics Song together. A is for air, 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 air. B is for bird, 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 bird. C is for cloud, 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 cloud. D is for dew, 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 dew. E is for earth, 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 earth. F is for flower, 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 flower. G is for grass, 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 grass. H is for hill, 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 hill. I is for island, 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 island. J is for jungle, 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 jungle. K is for kite, flying in the sky, kite, 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 kite. L is for leaf, 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 leaf. M is for mountain, a mountain, a mountain, a mountain, a mountain. N is for nest, and a nest, and a nest, and a nest, and a nest. O is for ocean, 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 ocean. P is for quail, 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 quail. R is for rain, rubber rain, rubber rain, rubber rain, rubber rain. S is for sun, 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 sun. T is for tree, 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 tree. U is for universe, universe, universe. V is for valley, 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 valley. W is for wind, 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 wind. X is for xylem, inside trees, xylem, xylem. Y is for yellow, sunflower, yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, 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 zoo. Yay! You learned the ABC Nature Phonics Song with us at Little Learner's World. Let's sing it again and love our nature.